Realme C55 was launched by the China-based smartphone company in Indonesia earlier this month. Now, the company is all set to introduce the Realme C55 smartphone to the Indian market. Realme has announced the date and time of the launch. The India variant of the smartphone is likely to have similar features and specifications as its Indonesia variant. Meanwhile, the Realme C33 2023 edition was launched recently in India as an improvement for the 2022 release of the smartphone. Earlier this year, the company also released the Realme GT3 with 240W fast charging support. Realme Vice President Madhav Sheth confirmed in a tweet that the Realme C55 will launch in India on March 21 at 12:30 p.m. IST. The smartphone was launched in Indonesia earlier this month in two storage variants with two color options. Realme C55 price in India. In Indonesia, the Realme C55 costs 2,499,000 Indonesian rupiahs, roughly 13,300 rupees, for the base 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant and 2,999,000 Indonesian rupiahs, roughly 16,000 rupees, for the 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant. The price of the smartphone in India has not been confirmed yet. The Realme C55 in Indonesia comes in rainy night and sunshower color options. Realme C55 specifications. The Realme C55 is a dual SIM Nano smartphone that runs Android 13-based Realme UI. The phone features a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, a touch sampling rate of 180 Hz, and a peak brightness of 680 nits. The device is powered by a MediaTek Helio G88 Society and gets up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The dual rear camera setup in the Realme C55 device is headed by a 64-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, accompanied by a rear LED flash unit. The Realme C55 also sports an 8-megapixel camera housed in a centrally aligned hole punch cutout for selfies and video calls. The smartphone from Realme comes with 256GB of internal storage that can be expanded to 1TB with a microSD card. 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a USB Type-C charging port are among the connectivity options. It has a 5000 mAh battery with 33W SuperVOOC charging support. The Realme C55 also has a fingerprint sensor on the side. The smartphone weighs 189.5 grams and measures 165.6 x 75.9 x 7.89 mm in size.